Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
You can see each one of them.
So you can see it?
That's
Look
so
at that.
cool. Oh my god.
This is the MicroRealms Projector, Foldscope's newest product, but with just one click will allow you to see the unseen and show it to others.
Being able to use the projector to help science come alive, to help vocabulary that students were learning actually become concrete and not this foreign concept that they didn't really understand. For them to put a picture, put an image from something tangible, made it real.
The MicroRealms Projector is a microscope that is rechargeable and can project images 50 to 1,000 times magnification. It is super easy to use. Even a 4-year-old can get a high-quality image in seconds. You can use it in the classroom, at home, while camping, anywhere. Foldscope Instruments aims to magnify curiosity worldwide by making science tools more accessible. Since our successful Kickstarter in 2016, with over 8,400 backers, we have reached 2 million people in over 160 countries with our low-cost science tools. Our Microcosmos website collects data from this vast pool of users, creating an incredible resource for the entire community of science enthusiasts. Now, you can join the fold. Our kit is designed by our experienced team of scientists, engineers, and teachers to help provide the maximum educational impact to your child or classroom. Mount samples in 3 easy steps. You can also add art to your STEM activities. Trace projected images with the projector stand and art supplies. Get your very own MicroRealms projector and set of MicroRealms Explorer cards by supporting our Kickstarter. We have rewards for individuals as well as teachers, homeschooling parents, and educational outreach organizations and clubs. We have tons of accessories that will provide you with all you need to supercharge your experience with Foldscope's MicroRealms projector. Check out our Kickstarter page to learn more. You can also learn more about us on our social media or foldscope.com. Happy exploring!